This video is for 5-10. There is an error on the Word document that said 5.8. This is actually problem 5-10. So this is a simple one. We're writing a journal entry for the inventory shrinkage. This just means that there is less in the warehouse than we have on the books. Okay, that's all that means when we say shrinkage. So it says Walmart's unadjusted merchandise inventory account at year end was 63,000. The physical count of the inventory came up with a total of 61,900. So our report we printed out of our accounting system says there should be $63,000 worth of whatever inventory, but really we only show 61,900 when we physically went out there and counted. So we make this entry to make the books match physical. Okay, your books always have to match physical. There's nothing we can do if it is gone, if somebody stole it, if we used it and forgot to write it down. There's nothing we can do about that now. Now the goal is just to get the books right. Alright, so the only two places that inventory can be is cost of goods sold or merchandise inventory. So those are the two accounts that come into play with this entry, especially with shrinkage, and this tells us specifically that is what's going on here. We have less than we thought we did on the books. So our entry is going to be a debit to cost of goods sold. And you're going to take the difference in these two numbers, so 63,000 minus 61,900 is 1,100. And we're going to credit merchandise inventory. So always tell students the way to kind of think about this is you either have it in your warehouse or you sold it. Okay, so when I say you've sold it, I'm talking about cost of goods sold. If I'm talking about it's in the warehouse, we're talking about merchandise inventory. So if we don't have it, then we must have sold it. So we're going to debit cost of goods sold. If we didn't sell it and we actually have it, this entry would be reversed and we would have a debit of merchandise inventory and a credit to cost of goods sold. So if the book said we had 63,000 and we went out there and counted 64, we would flip this entry and make it for $1,000. Okay, so same two accounts every time. We're just manipulating if it's a shrinkage or overage. So that's the end of the video for problem 5-10, aka 5-8.